Hi everyone, this is Gabby at Our Decorative Nest, and today I have a really fun holiday wreath project to share with all of you. So to start off, the main elements of this project were bought at Dollar Tree. The wreath form was bought at Dollar Tree as well as the scarf, but you could also find similar materials at craft stores if you don't have a Dollar Tree in your local area. So for this, I am cutting the scarf into strips about an inch thick, and then I'm cutting the strips in half, and I'm going to repeat this for a long time to fill up the whole wreath form. And for this, I did double knot the pieces onto the wreath form just to make sure that they stayed, because I am going to continue using this every holiday. For my wreath, I did choose a blue scarf because when I think of the holidays, I think of blue, white, silver colors, but you could use any color you'd like. They also had colors like red, green in the scarf. Alright, so here's our scarf wrapped around the whole form, and I'm going to start adding in some of the little details to give our wreath some of that holiday cheer. And for this, I am using some little snowflakes, and I'm also going to add in some holly berries to give just a little bit more depth to our wreath. Now all of these decorative pieces were found at Dollar Tree, but again, you can find these at your local craft store. You can go to Hobby Lobby, Michael's, Joann's. They'll have all types of little details for you to add to your wreath like that. Alright, now our wreath is almost done, but we just have one more detail to add to our wreath. I bought this adorable Target bird ornament, and I'm going to hang them on my wreath to display. When I was shopping at Target, I did see the bird wreath that they were selling with these little guys on them, but I thought to myself I wanted to make it on my own. And to finish off gluing, I would just recommend taking a little square of the scarf just so it all blends in there on the back. And here is our sweet holiday bird wreath to display for the whole winter season. I hope you get the chance to craft up this sweet wreath. Don't forget to sprinkle this video and continue watching for more holiday crafts. Happy crafting!